Hi, this is Joan-Marie Domino, and I've got a nice pile here of some of the newest napkins from Vippies Designs napkin shop, www.vippies.com. Lots of new ones here. So what do we do with these napkins? We adhere them to objects with Mod Podge and create beautiful things just like this. I just did a video show you exactly how to make this little wall hanging with a pocket and a little birdie. If you like making things like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and now it's on to our beautiful napkins. We're going to start with this blue floral with all the butterflies, so pretty, and that's printed on 4 panels. Very pretty. That's a Lennox napkin, I believe, with the floral and the butterfly. Another beautiful hydrangea, and that is printed on 4 panels. This one's so cute. Look at the little birdies. I think those are sparrows. And this is printed on 4 panels. Another beautiful floral, this one with lavender, 4 panels. Beautiful birdies with the rose, such an elegant napkin, and I believe, let me just open this up and see, yes, it's printed straight across and nothing is cut off. I love that. All right, another blue napkin. This is very pretty. If it looks familiar to you, I just used this in a video, and this printed straight across, nothing is cut off, 4 panels printed. Another beautiful floral, 4 panels printed. Now this next one is very elegant. It's actually more black than it shows there, and with the very soft color roses, and 4 panels are printed. All right, so now we are getting into the larger size, and beautiful floral, and all the panels are printed. This one is gorgeous. It's called Wedding Wreath. It's so pretty, and when you open it, there are 2 panels printed on that one. Okay, this napkin is very special, and I'm going to show you why. This has 4 different images on it. So you are going to get one napkin with 4 images. You know, this one might be worth getting 2 of. It's a really, really wonderful napkin. Beautiful roses. That is printed on 4 panels. My project coming up. This is really cute. This little birdie, there's 2 blue ones, but when you open it up, there's 2 red birdies. Look at that. So you get 2 of each birdie. And speaking of birdies, here's a really cute one with the birdhouse. All 4 panels are printed. Another birdie, okay, with little blue birdie, and all 4 are printed. Another birdie, all 4 panels. We're going to open it up. Okay, so this one is special because the birdies are both looking in a different direction. That always gives you options. Another napkin, very special. Look at the cute little sheep in there, but wait till you see this. This is rare. I don't see this in a napkin very often. It goes straight across to one big picture. Nothing is upside down. Nothing is cut off. Gorgeous napkin. This napkin is a very pale yellow, and when you open it up, you have beautiful roses that go all the way across. This next one of my favorites, a flower card. I can picture this on a little street corner. It's so pretty. Okay, another birdie one, love our birds, and this one is very special. Remember, I decoupage. I'm always looking for napkins with options. These birdies both look in 2 different directions. Now we're on to our larger napkins. It's a nice bright white. All the panels are printed, but again, nothing's cut off, so when you fold this down, you have one complete picture, and you would get 2 on that napkin. All right, another floral, very pretty, look at that. And when you open it up, again, look at all the panels are printed. So pretty. If you're doing bigger things, these napkins are definitely the way to go. One of my favorites, again, these bold flowers with the different shades of pink and the green leaves. Really pretty. Okay, and again, look at that. Well, Vippies really knows what they're doing. Oh, there's my project coming up. Okay, next one's soft watercolors. Pretty. Open it up. Look at that. Everything is printed. Nothing is cut off. Love, love, love. Alrighty. Now we're going to get into one that is a darker, bold color with all the different shades of pink, and those green leaves really stand out. And another one that's printed all the way across. Really, really pretty. Okay. Love this one. This one coming up. Look at those butterflies. They're very, very different. And in the shades of the light blue and the light pinks, it's really, really pretty. All right, I think we're coming up to our very last napkin. This purple has got that beautiful scalloped edge. Looks kind of like an engraving. And when you open it, all of the panels are printed. Very pretty. That one's kind of different too. All right, there's my big haul of napkins. Now on to my project. Here's my bonus project. I do one now with all of the hauls from Vippies Designs. Okay, so I have a cardboard tube and a plank I got from the Dollar Tree. And first I'm going to go ahead and do some paint on it. I used two different shades. This is kind of a sage color, and then I used another color on top that had a little bit more green blue in it. All right, this is regular white paint, and I'm painting the tube. I don't have to do the whole thing because I'm going to be cutting it down to size. And now I'm going to let it dry. Now that the tube is dry, I can cut it to the size that I want. Getting just a regular scissor, and I'm going to go all the way around and just cut off that part I'm not going to use. Now I'm going to squeeze and smush the bottom of the cardboard tube, and I made a little pocket. Then I'm going to take some hot glue. I'm going to put it there at the bottom, and I'm going to squeeze it together so that part is sealed. Now that's the napkin I'm going to use. And remember, we only use the top ply, and we're going to use Mod Podge to put it on. Let's line up the napkin. And now we'll put the Mod Podge right onto the tube. Get lots on there, make sure it's going to stick on. I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to smooth it with my finger like that. I'm also going to go over with another coat of Mod Podge. I'm going to let that dry. Now that it's dry, I'm going to do the other side. I'm tucking the glue underneath the napkin. I'm going to flip it down, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm going to take that little flap off. We don't need that. All right, so now with that little excess part, I'm just going to tuck it into the tube. My little pocket is all done, and I'm ready to put it onto the wood. So I'm going to do that with some hot glue all around the back. Then I'm going to place it down, and I want to make sure it's well adhered. So I'm going to stick my fingers inside the pocket and just press down really well. That looks good. Now I'm going to take a piece of florist foam and put it in there. Why? Because I'm going to add all of these beautiful flowers. I love how that looks. I added a little piece of ribbon at the bottom. This is mesh ribbon. And after I put the mesh ribbon on, I added a little bow, and I put a little hanger on it. So pretty. I love it. This is just a sampling of some of Vippies' newest napkins. And if you notice, there were no pairs because these are very limited. Go to their website, www.vippies.com, to see all of their napkins. They have hundreds and hundreds. And you know, Vippies Designs also has a Facebook page that you can like and follow. And if you love this little project that I made, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage, D.I.Y, with Joan-Marie Domino, where you will see that one and many more. I have a Facebook page. You can go there, my artist page, and I also have a group page that you can join. Thank you for watching.